Here is a question about affiliate marketing. Are affiliate marketing courses worth it? Usually this is a question asked by people who want to learn affiliate marketing, who want to start affiliate marketing, but they don't know where to begin. And they are on the fence whether to take affiliate marketing course and spend the money, or they go the free way and go on Google and YouTube and learn affiliate marketing. So the truth is, everything you need to learn about affiliate marketing, everything you need to know about affiliate marketing is on the internet, and it's free for you to use. Another truth is, internet is free and anybody can post on the internet. Anybody can publish a video, anybody can publish an article about affiliate marketing, about anything really, and it is free. The internet is not going to check whether you know what you are talking about and whether you are legit or not. So everything you need to know is on the internet, but again, there is an information overload on the internet. So if you decided to go the free way and learn affiliate marketing on the internet, watching YouTube videos, and there is nothing wrong with that. So you have to be willing to sacrifice time, because you have to go through hundreds of videos and try and error, see what is working and what's not working, and there is nothing wrong with that. You just sacrifice time. But if you decide to take a course, again, there is a question, which course is the best for affiliate marketing? So in my opinion, it's totally worth it to take affiliate marketing courses as long as those courses are good. In the past, I took a lot of courses. Some of them are good, some of them were total waste of money. So you have to be choosy when you take affiliate marketing course. So I have a #1 recommendation for you. The first link in the description below. This is really good and it costs less than $10, but it is up to you. You can do your own research and see what people are saying about the course you are about to take. So again, it is totally worth it to take affiliate marketing course, because it shortens the time between you and achieving your goals. And for my #1 recommendation of a course, see this video, and until next time, good luck.